Hi everyone. Today I'm going to walk you through a Python program that uses the Turtle graphics library to draw a beautiful design using simple triangle. Let me tell you what is Turtle graphics library means. Turtle graphics is a concept that was first introduced in 1967 by Seymour Papert and Wally Fusik as part of the Logo programming language. Turtle Graphics is a library in Python used to create graphics and shapes using a virtual turtle. The turtle can move forward, backward, turn left, turn right, and draw lines on the screen. It's time to look into our project. This is the Python program that uses the Turtle graphics library to draw a beautiful design using a simple triangle. Before going through the coding, let me show you what we actually gonna build at the end of today's section. Now we will go through each line of code to understand how it works and what each function does. By the end of this video, you will have a good understanding of how to use Turtle graphics in Python. The first line from Turtle import asterisk. It imports all functions from the Turtle library into the current namespace. This allows us to use functions such as forward and left without having to prefix them with the library name. The next line import turtle as t. It imports the turtle library with an alias of t. This allows us to refer to the library as t instead of turtle, which can save some typing. The third line, def myTurtle, it defines a function called myTurtle. Usually, we use a keyword def to create a function. This function contains the code to create the triangle. Sides equal to 3, set the number of sides for the triangle. To 3. Loops equal to 450. It sets the number of loops for the turtle to run to 250. Pen. It sets the initial pen size to 1. Now it's time to create the loop. For I in range loops, so it starts a loop that will repeat 450 number of times. That is, the I value will be range from 0 to 449. Next, the forward function. It moves the turtle forward by a distance calculated from I, the current loop iteration using the formula I multiplied by 2 divided by sides plus I. The left function. It turns the turtle left by an angle calculated from sides, the number of sides in the triangle, using the formula 360 divided by sides plus 0.350. The next function, hide_turtle, it hides the turtle icon on the screen, so only the drawing is visible. The next, pen size of pen, it sets the pen size to pen, which is initially set to 1. The next function, speed, sets the turtle speed to 100, which is a moderate speed. Left of 90, it turns the turtle left by 90 degrees, which prepares it for the next loop iteration. Here we define that function. Now it's time to call the function. So myTurtle calls the myTurtle function, which contains the turtle drawing code. T.done, it tells the turtle graphics window to stay open after the drawing is finished. Now Let us see how the forward function is working behind the program, that is in the mathematical way. At the iteration 1, the I value will be set to 0. So when I value is 0, the forward function will return the value 0. That time, the length of a triangle side will be 0. When come to iteration 2, the I value set be 1. So in such cases, the length of the triangle will become 0.5. As continuing in this way, when it comes to iteration 98, the I value will be set to 97. In such cases, the length of the triangle will be 1.94. If you look at the output, it will be clear to you. At first, it started by drawing a small triangle and then it continues by drawing a bigger and huger triangle at last. So this is how the left function will be work behind the programming. So it will be not change to the entire iteration. It will remain constant in the all iterations. So this states that when an iteration begins, the triangle, as we mentioned, the triangle should have three sides. So at what angle it should turn to the other side? So it will turn to the other side at 102 degree. But when an iteration completes and when it need to begin the next iteration, at that time it will starts at the 90 degree, as we mentioned in the below left function. And that's it. Now, that's how you create a simple triangle using the Total Graphics library in Python. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them in the comments below. Thank you for watching.